We are busy packing our Kit Club for August, and we thought we would just share with you guys what you can be expecting this release. You will get a lot of chipboard, custom die cuts, custom stamped images, 2 full packs of flowers. You will get a gorgeous extra large mini mister filled with our own custom mix. There are all your other paints, your own ink. There we go. All the beautiful pattern papers and all the cardstock you need to complete all 4 double page layouts. Fabulous, fabulous value for money. Scrapbook Studio, August 2019, Kit Club.